Hello all, I will show you how to upload the recorded live session which will be sent to our trainer Gmail ID. How it can be uploaded into Sri Vasavi LMS for the students so that they can watch it. To do this, first we have to log into our Sri Vasavi LMS. Click login. I am going to use my trainer ID and password. I logged in. In this, for the upload of these courses, I have created a category or a course. It is available in all courses. Click all courses. The first one that appears here is recordings of live sessions engineering. Even if it is not available, you can search here, type recordings and click search. So immediately you will get this. Click on this one. Here I had enrolled all the 672 students, provided you the required data. Here you can see the recordings of live sessions for all the students. I had created a few topics for the courses also. I created only for 3 up to now. I will create the remaining by today night. Here we can upload the courses. To upload the resource, first we have to turn the editing on. Since I already uploaded it, what I am going to do is I will delete it. Then I will show you how to upload the recorded live session as a resource. Move on to click all courses. The first one that appears is recordings of live sessions. Click on it. Then turn editing on. I already turned it on. Scroll down to your course. There, like we do for our Zoom sessions, click the add an activity or resource. Zoom session is an activity, whereas the recorded live session is a resource. That is the reason why I am clicking on the URL. You will get a new window which is almost similar to our live session. In the live session, provide the required data so that students can understand it very easily. Now, the topic I remember is breakpoint chlorination. Hence, I am going to type it. This is in the chapter Water Technology or the course outcome Water Technology. It is best if you provide when this class is conducted. So, if you remember, you can type the date and time of the session, or you will get the same data from your link that was sent to your Gmail ID. Here we have to post our URL that we received into the trainer Gmail ID. That means first we need to retrieve the link that was sent to our Gmail ID. For this, what I am going to do is I will open my Gmail account. Here it is with my college mail ID. Since it comes to my trainer ID, I am going to choose trainer ID. Then I will click Gmail account, my Gmail account. Here if you can see, you can observe the live sessions recorded. So this is the cloud recording that I conducted on 25/2020 at 10 a.m. So what I am going to do is I will copy this one and it will be pasted here. So breakpoint chlorination and live session on 25/20/20 10 a.m. Topic is breakpoint chlorination. Course outcome, our chapter is water technology. Now here you have to paste the external URL. Let us move on to our Gmail ID once again. Here you can see two links. The first link is for the presenter. The second link is for the participant. By clicking the presenter's link, you can edit the video, recorded video. The second link is useful for the upload as a resource. Hence, as I want to upload the resource, I am going to copy this link. We'll move on to my LMS. At the place where the external URL need to be posted, that is here, I will post the link. I will provide some description. For the description, I will take the same part that I already typed in at the name. I am going to do a small modifications for these. I will change the color, something like that, and display description on course page. As it is almost similar to our activity Zoom live session, you have to fulfill some conditions here. Here appearance is there. Normally the preferred one is embed. If it is embedded, it will appear in the same window. Normally it will take some time. That is the reason why I will choose open. I am not going to touch any of these. Even I am not restricting this access to anyone. So I just will move on to activity completion. Show activity as complete when conditions are met, right? That's enough. Now save and return to course. You can see live session on topic breakpoint chlorination water technology. I wish to do a few modifications for this. I will tell you why. If I keep live session, students may get confused. That is the reason why I want to change it to recorded session on 25/20/20 at 10 a.m. So that will be a lot better, right? An important point here is, let us move on to the Gmail account once. If you look at here, they have provided you a password. Without this password, the students cannot watch the video, cannot watch the live session. That's why I am providing them the password also. So along with the description, don't forget to type the password as well. Now let us save and return to course. Right. Here it is. In recorded live sessions of engineering chemistry, I had posted the resource, that is recorded session on breakpoint chlorination. Let's click this. The remaining part is common. If you want to send notification to those group of students, you can send the notifications also. Since it was permitted for all the 672 students, I am not sending any notifications. Click on this. The students will see this. Since I already opened it, it was opened like this. But normally what happens is, it will ask you for the password, right? So this is how it will come. When the students click, what will happen? It will ask for the password. One need to sign in with their so this is how I can see. This is for the students, sorry, for the faculty. If it is for the student, I will show you. Right. When the students click on this link, they will be redirected to Zoom, where they have to type the password we had provided. I am moving back. So what I am going to do is, first I will copy this password, then I will click the link. Enter the password, access recording. The video appears here. Let me click it and see whether the video comes or not. Right, trainer 1.
I'm going to share my screen.
Right?
So why I should play with you? I am disabling it. Okay. Right.
I'm moving back. So this is how we can post the recorded live session in Sri Vasavi LMS. In all courses, I had created a new course, that is recordings of live sessions. Every student can watch the recording of live sessions here. I request all of you to post your live sessions here. Thank you all.